As your sets get bigger, your shots become more complicated and you acquire more equipment. Paying attention to details like keeping everything organised, clean and in dedicated places can result in huge time savings and, most importantly, keep all of that beautiful and expensive camera gear safe. After a lot of research and testing over the past year or so, this is what I found to be the best solution for my needs as a filmmaker. In this video, I'm going to walk you through all the equipment I use in my main camera bag and the techniques I use to help my shoots go more smoothly. To keep it simple, I've implemented a numbering system based on being simple and easy to communicate to everyone regardless of their experience on set. I know what you're thinking, nerd alert! But it really does help organise everything. If I need something, I know exactly where it is and I can go to a friend or colleague and say, can you grab me case number 1 for me please? There's no need to describe the size of the case, what it looks like or what is in it because it's clearly labelled. Let's face it, we all love buying new gear. Man, do I love shiny new gear. As our equipment expands, you need to maintain a method in numbering your cases, ensuring you know how things are labelled and in a way that makes sense, so that you and the people that help you out on shoots can easily remember what goes where. If one of the bigger cases or bags has a smaller corresponding case inside, that is labelled 1A, 2A, 3A and so on. Here is a breakdown of my case numbering system to give you a better idea of how it's structured. Bag 1 is my main camera bag which houses my mirrorless camera and lenses. Case 2 is my Pelican case which stores my Sony FS7 and accessories for it. It's the case I use for bigger commercial jobs and music videos. Bag 3 is the largest of the family. It's a repurposed drum hardware bag. I use that to keep all my tripod stands and lights together. Bag 4 is a smaller, lightweight bag that I mainly use for when I film weddings. Disclaimer, all my gear has built up over the course of 5 years, so you might have a heart attack seeing how much this camera gear costs all in one go. As always, I've included all the links to everything in the description below. Clicking those links really helps me out to make more of these videos. What's in my main camera bag? I have a habit of carrying more gear than I need, and this 20-litre Peak design bag helps me to only carry the essentials when I'm on smaller shoots. Don't let the small size fool you. This bag is awesome. My laptop. It's a 2012 MacBook Pro. It's been great, but it's starting to show its age really well. Well, it's been starting to show its age for the past year, to be honest. It's been a workhorse and I'll be sorry to see it go. So I still carry it at the moment, but my iPad is slowly taking over the reins as my go-to travel device. I use it all the time. I use it for emails, video research, books, and the pencil is awesome for editing those Instagram bangers. Even though my Instagram posts are more like a sizzle rather than a banger. A filter case which can hold up to 5 86mm round filters. This little sucker holds my variable ND filter when it's not on the front of my camera. Don't put it in your pocket, you're just asking for it to get scratched. I've also got a Corsa Pro Mist filter, cool little filter that makes the highlights in skin tones bloom and even out. 1TB solid state Samsung drive, small and portable. It's on my top 10 list of accessories for 2020. I'm still rocking the A7S II at the moment. I kind of missed the boat on the A7 III because I thought later that year the A7S III would come out. Man, was I wrong. If it doesn't come out this year, I'm just going to bite the bullet and buy an A7 III. The battery life on the A7S II is horrendous. I mean really bad. So I try to keep 5 to 6 batteries on me at all times just in case. The Sony 70-200 f4 lens. Use this all the time for events and weddings. The Sony 35mm 1.8 is the newest addition to the family, and I love the buttery depth of field you get with this little fella. The Sony G Master 24-70 is my workhorse lens. It pretty much stays on my camera 85% of the time. I lose my lens caps all the time, by the way. Next up, the Rode Videomic Pro. A very old version of it, but it's still going strong. Never rely on the built-in audio on your camera, folks, because the audio really does suck. A USB battery. This will charge up my laptop, iPad, and even keep my Sony camera going all night when I'm shooting time lapses too. Camera cleaning kit with microfiber cloth, air blower, soft brush, and cleaning fluid. The Atomos Ninja 5, way better than built-in LCD screen on the back of the camera, and it records too. Click the link below to watch my video on the other reasons why I love this monitor. Color Checker Video Passport. If you have a messed up image, this little item can save your bacon when it comes to color correction. I bring it with me all the time on shoots. The Edc Pocket Organizer from Maxpedition. Tried the Micro Pocket Organizer, which is a smaller version of this, but it didn't quite fit all the extras that I needed to carry in there, so I went for this one. This carries extra HDMI cables, spare lav mics, and tools to take apart accessories and things. If you want to see a more detailed video about this, let me know in the comments. And that's pretty much it, folks. If you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell and give me a like. And if you want to see more videos like this, give me a shout in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.